Hi there. So today I'm going to be teaching you how you can download and install Koala classrooms on your own computer so you can start either teaching or learning remotely in a virtual but immersive setting. So first off, all you have to do is open a web browser and then go ahead and type in koala-classroom.com and it will take you to our home page where you'll see, if you scroll down just a tad, the three options to use Koala. So you can either download it on a Windows if you have a Windows computer, or download on a Mac if you have a Mac computer, or even just opening it up on a web browser if you aren't capable of downloading it at the moment. We advise that teachers download the full version application on their computers, just for easier use and such. Students are fine to do any of the three options. So we're gonna go ahead and click on the web browser option just so you can see what that would look like. And all it does is opening it up into a new tab. It'll give you the option to select if you're hosting or entering a room. We're gonna do hosting and you just gotta enter your email and your name and it'll take you to your classroom. And once you're in your classroom, you can move around freely and start using the classroom. So then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna show you how you can download it on a Mac computer. Although it is the same steps. I personally just have a Mac, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on the Mac option. So when I click on the Mac option, you'll see on the bottom it starts to download. It takes a few minutes, but once it's done downloading, all you have to do is click on it and it'll have a little pop-up on the side. And once that's done loading, it'll give you instructions on dragging the icon of Koala into your applications folder. And once you do that, it'll be installed onto your computer, and then you can just search it in the Finder, and the application Koala will come up, and just double click it, and it should open up to the full application. And here, just like the web browser option, you can choose to either host a class or join class, and same thing, just type in your email, your name, and once you're in, you can move around freely, use your classroom, invite students. So once you have the application open, you can feel free to move the window around, make it smaller, enlarge it, whatever you please. And there you have it. Now you can start using your Koala classroom.